Hi, and welcome back to Nutty here. I'm so glad to have you here.
What are we making today?
Another part 2. This time we're going to be focusing in on the blueberry jam bread recipe. The reason we're doing so many part 2s lately is because I've had a lot of people in my inner circle saying your recipe's not really good or that a recipe's super good. In this case, the recipe is really good. We just wanted to see what would happen if we added a little bit more jam to the bread. Check it out.
We are using the same recipe as last time. We start off with our flour and our baking powder, add in our vanilla, butter, and sugar, our eggs, mix that all together. From there, you're going to add your milk and your jam, stir that together, and you are all set to bake. Make sure you've preheated your oven to 350 and bake for 50 minutes. The main difference between part 1 and part 2 is that part 1 I used 8 cups of jam throughout the entire mixture, and here I used 8.5 cups of jam. It's spread throughout the entire bread, so it's not that much sweeter, although I am interested in increasing the amount of jam to 10 ounces, maybe in a part 3. But still, this recipe is super easy to make, it's good to taste, and I'm definitely going to make it again because there's been a lot of interest and a lot of compliments with this bread. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any recipe recommendations, let me know below.